everyone, it's Rochelle here from the Photographer Society. Welcome to this week's blog. So in this week's blog, I really think you're going to enjoy this because I'm going to share with you what you should have inside your session information. And what I mean is when someone inquires to find out your packages and your prices, I have set out a way that I have all the information that commonly asked questions and things like that inside my session information, and I'm going to share what you should have as well in case you don't. So let's get started. So in the first page or so, you should have information about you, the business, about what type of photography you shoot and where you're based. It's really good as well, and if you're not shy, to have an image of yourself, because people are not only booking the business to get a photo shoot, they're actually booking you. So they want to be comfortable in front of you if they're coming in for a maternity session or whatever type of photography you do, maybe handling their baby. They still want to be comfortable with you, and it's really comforting when they can see a picture of how you actually look. So it's really important to have that as well. Look, you could be you could have like a behind the scenes image of you with a baby posing and doing all that stuff. You don't have to have an image of a portrait of yourself, but it's really ideal that you do. The second thing that's so important to have in your session information, and a lot of photographers miss this one, is the step-by-step process of how they can book you. So now that they can see the packages and the prices, they want to know what's the next step. And you know what, even though they're like they don't want to know, it's really important that you show it to see how simple it is, and you sort of are guiding them through the next step, indicating to them that, you know, that's the session information and prices, now it's time to book, here's what to do next. Also, about your packages, which brings me to the third thing that you should have, is really easy and simple package layout. So the way you lay out your package, not the way you do your packages, but the way you actually type them up on this session information, PDF, is really important how you layer it out. It can either completely confuse the client or have the client understand. So what I would do is, once you've laid it out, give it to a friend or a family who doesn't know anything about your packages and get them to look at it. Now, I gave mine to my sister and I said to her, have a read through. If you were a client, do you get how I do the packages? Do you get how they work? She pointed out a few things that I didn't even knew I had missed. So it's really important when you have another set of eyes, look at the way you've actually laid out your packages and your prices. Also, what I would do is have a dedicated page on your information sheet, PDF, is actually explaining what to do next. So I have a page that says, okay, I'm ready to book, what do I do next? And it has a question mark. And then I list out the steps. Either go to my calendar link or email back or give me a call, and I put all those details there. Then I will send you this, then I will send you that, and it has step by step. So literally from 1 to 5, steps 1 to 5 are what to do. So have a dedicated page just for that. It just makes life so much easier, not only for you, but for them. And that way they feel that now they know what to do if they're ready to book. And another thing you must have is an online calendar system booking. Now, I don't get a lot of bookings through my calendar, but I do still get quite a few. So a lot of people still these days like to text me or call me or even email back right from my autoresponder that I send out to them. But a lot of people will find that they go to my calendar link in that email and it shows them my availability. So I'll show them when I'm booked out, when I'm not. Some people book through there and pretty much they just put in their name and email and details, and I get a notification that they've booked a session. And I do let people know in the email where the calendar link is. I let them know once you book through my calendar link, you can book a day and time around your due date, and then I'll give you a call and I'll discuss the process. So they're my tips of what you should have inside your session information. If you have any extra tips, I'd love to hear about them because I'm learning as well. Leave them in the comments below. And in this week's blog, I've created a freebie for you where I list for you page by page of what you should add in every single page from the beginning right into the end in your session information. So you're gonna love that. Go there, download it, should be below or above this video, and go check it out. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys next week. Take care. Do you know the number one struggle us photographers face, especially when starting our photography business, is we can't book enough sessions into our business in order for it to grow and for us to make money. So what I've done is I've created a training that's absolutely free for you to join, and I'm going to show you 3 ways you can book more sessions right now. So these 3 things that you can do in your business right now to book more sessions and hopefully get your calendar booked up. All you got to do is go to thephotographers.society.com/training.